And I'll run through a very quick bonus thing. So Evelina doesn't know I'm doing this, but I'm a big Star Wars fan, and they are about to open up a Star Wars resort, and that is going to be so cool. I can't wait to go. So how can we help them recruit for the Resistance? They opened up Galaxy's Edge in 2019. So we just look at the visitation patterns at Galaxy's Edge and the segments that uniquely visited it, but we baseline that against Disney overall because we just want to make sure that it's not just Disney people that are coming. We want to make sure it's uniquely people that are really excited about Star Wars. And here are the top ones based on indexes. I was racking my brain trying to figure out what was the common pattern between all of these segments. I mean, you have rural, you have lower income, you have high income. I just couldn't figure it out. And eventually, the one thing that stood out is they all over-index, except for one of them, on having people ages 45 to 49, and they way over-index on having kids. And I was like, why 45 to 49? Well, I looked on Google. This is when the
Yep.
original Star Wars came out, and they were there the decade when Star Wars first hit. So it's like people that were there with Star Wars and they want to bring their kids there. I thought it would be like interest in sci-fi, so I was looking for that on the taxonomy. Much more simple. So they're just born when it was kind of really important.
Funny enough, and Leiden did not tell me he was doing this. I talked about this over the weekend because I went to Death Valley, and that's where Star Wars, one of the movies, was filmed in Death Valley National Park. And we're like, who's visiting? Like, why would Disneyland or Disney World? How would Disneyland or Disney World appeal to that group? And funny enough, goes back to that 45 to 49 index.
Cool. So if we want to activate on this, we can just sum the segments up and look at a national distribution of that, and we can hit the people that are uniquely interested in Star Wars, call it our Star Wars Affinity Index, and we can hit them with some other advertisements.